Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And who says you need an oven to make delicious grilled fish? Watch how I turn this fresh tilapia into a smoky, spicy masterpiece right on my gas cooker. First, I blended my Scotch bonnet peppers and Shombo peppers to create that rich Nigerian spicy flavor. I already cut my Irish potatoes off camera, then fried them till golden and crispy. With the same oil, I reduced the quantity a little and started my pepper sauce. I added chopped onions and allowed them to fry for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Next, I went in with my blended peppers, curry powder, thyme, Larsor fish seasoning, kitchen glory seasoning, salt and Knorr cubes. I stirred everything together and allowed the sauce to fry beautifully for 1 minute before setting it aside. Now our main topic for today, the tilapia fish. I brought out my already washed tilapia fish and used a knife to make deep cuts across the fish on both sides so all the flavors can enter properly. After washing it again, I placed the fish on a foil paper. I rubbed my dry pepper all over the fish, inside and outside, then generously applied the pepper sauce we prepared earlier. Hello beautiful people, please, if you have watched to this extent, kindly help me by subscribing to my channel and hitting the like button. It really goes a long way for me and I appreciate you for watching my videos. Thank you and may God bless you. Trust me, this step is where all the magic happens. I wrapped the fish tightly with the foil and prepared my local oven setup. I placed the pot on the gas and heated it for 10 minutes. Inside the pot, I added salt and some stones. Then placed the pan cover on top to create a stand. Finally, I placed the wrapped fish inside and grilled it for 45 minutes. And while the fish was grilling, I sliced my cabbage and cucumber for salad. After 45 minutes, just look at this beauty. I served it with crispy Irish potatoes, cabbage mixed with salad cream, fresh cucumber, and of course, my delicious Ugba mixed with Utazi leaves and the remaining pepper sauce. This fish came out smoky, juicy, spicy, and absolutely mouth-watering. If you love Nigerian homemade recipes like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more delicious meals. Thank you everyone for watching, and I will see you in my next video. May God bless you. Bye.